Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I've been testing this iRonsnow emergency radio. This is the third generation. Just came out a couple of weeks ago, and it uses a 200 milliamp hour power bank, rechargeable battery. And so I did some testing on the charging capability and the capability of that battery. And I want to show you the results. Oh, these guys, they got it on sale right now. Check that out. Where are we here? Slideshow. So let's do this little slideshow here. And here's the results. I did 3 different tests. I charged the battery using the USB port. And I fully charged the battery. The radio has 4 blue LEDs indicating the charge ability, or how much it's charged. So I waited till all 4 lights were lit. And then I played the radio at medium volume, and it played for nearly 1,500 minutes, a full day, continuous play. So then I did a crank charge where I charge it for 5 minutes. And what I do is I charge, I crank for 1 minute, and then I rest my hand, and then I crank for another minute, and I do this until I've accumulated cranking time of 5 minutes. Then I played the radio, and it played for 31 minutes until it went off. The last test I did was using the solar cell. It's kind of a small, but it's a solar cell on the top of the radio. I put the radio in a window that was facing south and got sun, but kind of indirect sun, and I left it in there for 600 minutes or 6 hours. Now, I didn't get full sun. Sometimes it was cloudy, sometimes not. But anyway, then I played the radio, and it played for 9 minutes. Now, the results on that will vary a lot, depending on how much sunlight you're getting, whether it's direct or indirect, whether you got clouds or not. So that'll vary a lot. So 9 minutes to me was impressive for the amount of charge time it had. Now, the big difference in this model is that it uses the 18650 battery with a 2,000 milliamp hour battery instead of the wireless phone battery that previous versions and other radios use, which is only 600 milliamp batteries. But it does not have any provisions for AA batteries because the 18650 takes up the whole battery area, and the 18650 battery is removable. So you can replace that battery if it doesn't want to hold the charge. So that's it. I'm impressed with using this new battery, or using this different type battery on these emergency radios. Gives you much more capacity, and I think you ought to check it out. Leave some comments. I'd love to hear some comments, and I want to thank iRonsnow for sending me these radios for review. Have a great day. Bye-bye.